Based on your observation and experience from your work in Oakland Unified and your positions in OEA, do you have an opinion whether Oakland has difficulty retaining teachers?
Yes, I do.
Yes.
And what's your opinion about that?
Oakland has an extremely difficult time retaining teachers. The statistic that I was always struck with was, of the beginning teachers in 2003, there were about 300 who began in Oakland, and by 2008, about 76% of those had left. Generally, the turnover rate is about 50%, even higher in some schools. I feel that part of the reason is that the conditions are very difficult, very high poverty rate in Oakland, lack of support services. Oakland has very few counselors, nurses, like one librarian left, high class size, high standard of living in the Bay Area. Children come with a lot of needs that aren't fulfilled, and teachers are expected to make up that difference and are agonized often by their inability to do so because they lack the support and the conditions to do so. We like to say that teachers' working conditions are children's learning conditions, and it really holds true in Oakland.
So I didn't get your last sentence. We like to say
teachers' working conditions are children's learning conditions.
You referred to a 50% turnover rate over how long a period of time?
Usually in the first 2 to 5 years, you have a 50% turnover. But that year, from 2003 to 2008, it was 76%. So Oakland tends to be much higher.